News: a federal judge is ordering ICE to improve conditions at the processing center in Broadview.
Our Charlie DeMar joins us live to break down the details of the judge's order. Charlie.
And Joe and Erica, about an hour ago, that judge handed down that temporary restraining order directly addressing some of the conditions at that ICE processing center in Broadview. On Tuesday, that judge heard from 5 detainees who described deplorable conditions inside that facility at Broadview. They mentioned overcrowding, a lack of sleeping space, unsanitary toilets, a lack of food, and above all else, the inability to contact their attorneys and in some cases being coerced to sign self-deportation documents. Now, the judge finished the hearing today by saying that he found all of those detainees to be credible and that he based much of his TRO on that witness testimony. The TRO does consist of 15 actionable items aimed at improving the conditions of the detainees in Broadview. It includes improving all the detainees held overnight, giving them adequate space to sleep, clean bedding. The holding rooms must be cleaned twice a day, and detainees must be provided hygiene products and offered a shower at least every other day. Now, 3 meals and clean water should be offered. Detainees must also be given access to contact their attorneys, and any forms must be given in both English and Spanish, and ICE cannot misrepresent what those forms are. Attorneys for the detainees also asked for video footage from inside the Broadview facility, saying that would give them the best sense of the conditions, and they were told by the legal team representing the Trump administration that a span of about 10 days from last month was deleted.
I think the video evidence, especially given the fact we don't have an inspection yet, is essential. It is pretty wild to me that there is missing footage from the 19th of October to the 31st of October, and that covers the time our clients were in Broadview. I don't have a lot of words to say about that other than it's suspect.
A lot of questions there. Attorneys for the federal government say that video was destroyed when they attempted to pull video for a different court case. Those same attorneys also asked until Friday to implement this TRO. They say they need some more time before they can make those changes. A judge granted a status hearing for Friday. Once this TRO does go into effect, it will last for at least 2 weeks. Reporting live from the federal courthouse, Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Chicago. Joe and Erica.
Charlie, thank you.